Hello everyone, it's me, and today we are going to talk about the 5 superfruits that will boost your digestion now. So many people suffer from bloating, gas, indigestion, constipation, diarrhea, and for that, what do? They go to the pharmacy and they get medicines which have side effects. Instead of that, why don't you try these superfruits? And these superfruits are not just 1 or 2. I'm going to give you 5, and all these 5 superfruits are easily available in the market. You can get them online also. So let's see, what are these 5 superfruits? The first fruit is soursop. This is a very, very important fruit. In Hindi, we call it as soursop, and this is easily available in the market. The special thing about soursop is that it has so many digestive enzymes, which are going to help you to digest your food, especially protein. If you are someone who has a lot of protein in their diet, then definitely try to include soursop in your diet. It will help you in proper digestion of protein, and thus reducing your bloating, reducing your gas. Second fruit is limes and lemons. Yes, limes and lemons are very, very important. In Ayurveda, we always say that if you want your digestive system to be strong, then have a strong base. What do I mean by that? Have a strong beginning of your digestive process. How? By having a cup of warm water in the morning, preferably with a little bit of lemon juice or lime juice. This will create a strong beginning of your digestive process, and slowly everything will move downward. The third fruit is mango. Yes, mango. This is again a superfruit. But when we say mango, we don't say the unripe mango. We say the ripe mango. Ripe mango is a superfruit. Unripe mango will create more problems. So don't have the unripe mango. If you have a ripe mango, it is a superfruit. It has so many digestive enzymes which will help you in proper digestion. The fourth fruit is papaya. Again, papaya is a superfruit. It has a digestive enzyme called papain, so this will help you in proper digestion. And the last but not the least is banana. Yes, banana is a superfruit. In Ayurveda, it is called as matvika. It is again a superfruit which will help you in gaining weight, but at the same time, it will help you in proper digestion. So these are the 5 superfruits that you should have in your diet, in your meals, and that will help you to improve your digestion. So this is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really do, then share this video with your family and friends. And if you have any comments or any queries, then also comment below. And don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.